Thank you for calling Direct Energy. For service in English, press 1. Para español, oprima 2. To ensure the quality of our service, your call may be monitored. Please hold while your call is being transferred. Thank you for calling Direct Energy. This is Morgan. How can I help you?
Hi, Morgan. I'm looking to speak with somebody who's the most senior person there at the company, possibly a director or a president or a manager or whoever you got that'll hear me out because I have a problem with your website.
Okay. Hang on just a moment. Let me see who I have available for you, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Can I get some more information on what the issue with our website is?
Yeah, you stole my company name and you posted it on your website. I have a problem with that. I'm the owner of Barrie Furnace Repair, and you've called a page on your website Barrie Furnace Repair. That's the name of my company. I want it removed.
Oh. Okay. All right. Hang on just a second for me, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Let me get your name and information, and I'm going to contact someone in the legal department and have them call you.
That would be good. It would be even better if the page got revised immediately. But of course, I know you have to go through your procedure. My
Well, I just wish I had that capability to take care of that for you. Unfortunately, I don't, but I can get you in touch with someone in the legal department and have them contact you.
quite honestly, if you named your page Furnace Repair in Barrie, that would be fine. But
Right.
the name of my business called Barrie Furnace Repair, and you put the page on the website of Direct Energy up in my location, Barrie Furnace Repair. And my web page was doing quite well until this happened. I suggest that gets changed right away. You could probably advise your legal department to give me a call. I'll be available tomorrow, and I hope to hear back from them.
All right, Darren. I will do my best to get them to give you a call back as expedient of a manner as I can get done for you, okay?